Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating variables now. Remove and reseat the ear tips because a poor seal changes bass and noise cancellation. Put one bud in and play a known track, then swap sides, and use another device to confirm whether the problem follows the bud or the source. Once done, power cycle the case and AirPods. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on the source. This narrows whether the issue is physical, software, or a connection problem, so you know the next move. Now you perform the core fixes that resolve most odd sounds. Carefully clean the speaker mesh and vents with a dry, soft brush. Debris muffles highs and makes distortion. Then check firmware versions and update if available, because firmware can fix audio processing bugs. Disable equalizer presets and spatial audio to see if processing caused the issue. Finally, run balance and noise cancellation checks. Try different Bluetooth codecs and apps, because codec changes or app-level processing often explain weird artifacts. Finish by restoring and deciding on service. First, perform a factory reset and repair the AirPods Pro. This clears corrupted settings and often restores normal sound. If distortion, dropouts, or imbalance persist, test under warranty or schedule professional inspection. Driver damage or internal water exposure needs technician repair. Make sure to try different source devices and cables before calling support, because sometimes adapters or the source output cause the problem. If nothing helps, service is the right next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.